Are you ready to revolutionize the way you cook? Say hello to the PowerXL LUMINEX 5.3 quart Radiant Light Air Fryer. In this comprehensive review, we'll explore the features that make this kitchen appliance a game changer for anyone looking to enjoy crispier, healthier, and faster meals without sacrificing flavor. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications. Unleash the power of Luminex technology. The PowerXL LUMINEX air fryer harnesses the innovative Luminex technology, combining powerful radiant light and 360 degrees supercharged hot air to cook your meals evenly and retain juices. The result? Crispier, golden fried finishes that are healthier without compromising on taste. Say goodbye to soggy, oil-laden dishes and hello to perfectly cooked meals every time. Instant heat, no preheat required. With its revolutionary Luminex technology, this air fryer heats up to 400 degrees in just 2-4 seconds, eliminating the need for preheating. Experience instant, even heat that speeds up cooking times so you can enjoy your favorite dishes faster than ever before. Whether you're air frying, baking, roasting, or broiling, the PowerXL LUMINEX has you covered. Intuitive touchscreen controls. Navigating the PowerXL LUMINEX air fryer is a breeze thanks to its digital touchscreen interface. With 12 one-touch presets for air frying, baking, roasting, and more, you can take the guesswork out of meal preparation. Plus, the intuitive timer with auto shut-off and shake reminder ensures perfect results every time. Family-sized capacity, cooking for a crowd? No problem. The PowerXL LUMINEX air fryer boasts a generous 5.3 quart capacity, capable of fitting up to 3 pounds of fries or multiple portions at once. Whether you're feeding family, friends, or hungry appetites, this air fryer has the capacity to satisfy everyone. Watch your food cook. With its convenient glass skylight view window, you can watch your food cook without interrupting the cooking cycle or letting cold air in. Say goodbye to guesswork and hello to precision cooking, ensuring your meals come out perfectly every time. Plus, with dishwasher-safe, easy-to-clean non-stick parts, cleanup is a breeze. In conclusion, the PowerXL LUMINEX 5.3 quart Radiant Light Air Fryer is a must-have for anyone looking to elevate their cooking experience. With its innovative Luminex technology, instant heat capabilities, intuitive touchscreen controls, family-sized capacity, and convenient glass skylight view window, it's no wonder why this air fryer has become a kitchen essential. Say goodbye to greasy, unhealthy meals and hello to crispy, flavorful dishes with the PowerXL LUMINEX air fryer. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.